In this video, we'll be going over ATTI, or Attitude mode, on your X-Star series drone. ATTI is an advanced flight feature that allows your X-Star to fly with no satellite connection. It can be helpful in situations with unreliable or no GPS signal, like flying under a bridge, for example. Just remember, it does change the way your drone reacts to you, so make sure you get comfortable with it in a safe environment first. To activate ATTI in the Starlink app, head to the flight control settings and scroll down to the advanced settings and enable ATTI mode. Once you've enabled ATTI in the app, you can easily toggle between GPS and ATTI mode with the flight mode switch on the remote controller. Go ahead and switch it to ATTI. The rear LEDs on the X-Star should turn from a slow flashing green to a slow flashing yellow. Flying in ATTI mode is kind of like driving a car with no brakes. The X-Star will not lock in its position using GPS, so letting go of the sticks will not cause the aircraft to brake and hold a hover like you might be used to in GPS mode. If you're flying the X-Star forward and let off the command sticks, the aircraft will maintain its altitude but continue to fly forward from its momentum. You can stop the aircraft in ATTI mode by reversing the direction of input on the right command stick. Note that this can be a little more challenging if you're flying in a non-linear pattern, like a circle. Here are a few things to keep in mind about ATTI mode. When the X-Star does not have GPS signal, it will not respond to go home and fail-safe features. However, if the X-Star can lock into GPS signal, it will automatically switch back into GPS mode when it's time to go home. With enough satellites available, you can switch between GPS and ATTI modes during flight. When possible, we recommend taking off and landing in GPS mode. In some situations, like when the X-Star loses GPS connection mid-flight, it will automatically switch to ATTI mode. When this happens, you'll get a notification in the Starlink app, and the rear LEDs on the aircraft will turn to a slow flashing yellow. For more information on ATTI mode, check out your user manual or contact our customer support team 7 days a week at 1-844-MY-AUTEL or support@autelrobotics.com.